May I come in, teacher?
Yes, come in, seated.
Thank you, teacher. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. What's your full name?
This is Afif Aldin, but you can call me Afif because this is my nickname and I'm quite familiar with this name.
Do you like your name?
Definitely, sir, because it has a beautiful meaning.
Is your name important to you?
Yes, of course, because it's my identity and this name represents me to the world, to the society, to the country.
Can I see ID, please?
Oh, sure, sir. Here it is.
Okay, take it.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Where are you from?
Actually, I'm from Sylhet, but currently I'm living in Manikganj for my education purpose. And I think Manikganj is one of the most beautiful and well-known district of Bangladesh.
How old are you?
Not more than 35.
Do you work or study?
Actually, I'm a student, teacher.
What do you study?
I study English at school.
Where do you study?
I study English at Kids English Club, Manikganj.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
Take care, sir.
Take care.